Good morning, students. Today in class 8 chemistry we'll discuss the types of water, and there are two types of water: hard water and soft water. So let's discuss what are the hard water and what are the soft water and what causes the hardness of water. So first of all, hard water, if we take, hard water is mostly hard because it contains soluble salts of calcium and magnesium, and that's why the hard water does not form lather easily with soap, whereas soft water does not contain the soluble salts of calcium and magnesium, so soft water can easily lather with soap. And this hard water, especially it is used for drinking purpose, because as I told you that it contains the salts of calcium and magnesium. So this calcium and magnesium, these are the minerals which help them to means that these minerals are also useful for our body. So that's why it is good for drinking, whereas salt water does not contain salts of calcium and magnesium, so it is not suitable for drinking. But it has some sodium salts which can be suitable for drinking. Now this hard water, because of these salts of calcium and magnesium, the hard waters are not used for especially not good for washing and industrial purpose, because it does not form lather easily, so that's why the clothes or the utensils can't be washed properly. And but salt water is good for the washing and industrial purpose. Especially what are the hot water, where the hot waters are found? So especially the well water, springs, lakes, pond water, seas, oceans. With the water which are present in these water resources, they are the hard water because they contain much amount of calcium and magnesium salts. Whereas soft water, especially rain water, because it does not contain any salts, and distilled water. So rain water and distilled water are the example of soft water, whereas these wells, springs, lakes, ocean, these are the hard water. Now I just now you understood the difference between the hard water and the soft water. So because of this property of the hard water and hard water, so it has many disadvantages also in comparison to the soft water. So what are the disadvantages of hard water in household use as well as in industrial use? So first of all, as I told you that it contains salts of calcium and magnesium, so it is not able to clean the utensils and clothes properly. So especially it causes wastage of the soap while washing the clothes and utensils, and it also creates problem in bathing because it does not form lather easily. Instead, it forms a scum. So because of that, the people are not able to bath properly with the hard water, means it does not clean the body properly. And it also causes wastage in the fuel, because hard water makes the or cooking helps in longer time, it takes place in longer time, cooking takes place of anything. So wastage of fuel takes place because of these calcium and magnesium salts which are dissolved in the hot water. It is not good for cooking also, and not only this, it is also not for drinking purpose, as we have discussed earlier that it contains salts of calcium and magnesium. Because of that, it causes digestive problems, especially stones are created, and it causes because of this in the urinary tract, the stones are formed because of drinking of the hard water. So these are the disadvantages which we see house in the household purpose or household use because of this hard water. And now we'll discuss the disadvantages of the hard water in the industrial purpose, how it causes disadvantage. So especially in big industries, you have seen the boilers. So this, whenever it is anything is heated in a boilers only at high temperature, so what happens when we use the hard water, it deposits a thick coating of calcium salts. So because of that, it can corrode the boiler also, and it can cause corrosion takes place there. And in the sugar industry also, in the refining of the sugar, if we are using the hard water in the industry, for the industrial purpose in sugar refinery industries, so it does not allow the sugar to form crystals. So this also is the main reason for that it causes, it is the main disadvantage of the hard water, that it is not good for the sugar industries. Not only this, in the textile industries also it is not good, because it causes wastage of the costly dyes. Because sometimes the fabrics, they have some spots because of the calcium and magnesium salts. So because of that, fabrics get damaged also. So these are the main disadvantage. In the paper industry also we have seen that if hard water is used, then it can affect the smoothness, shining and quality of the paper. So quality and smoothness and shining of the paper is also affected by using hard water. Not only this, it is also not good for construction purpose, because it affects the strength of the set concrete. So these are the disadvantages of the hard water in the household purpose, in the industrial purpose. Now, how the hardness of the water can be removed? So these hardness of water, that is the especially the salts of calcium and magnesium which make the water hard, it can be removed especially by two methods. First is by heating and second is by washing soda. So these two things are used, means process which are used for the removal of the hardness of the water. By this only the salts of the calcium and magnesium can be removed easily. So in detail we will discuss about this removal of the hardness of water in the next class. Thank you for today.